how to create a sales page on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create a sales page on Squarespace. And this is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, we are on Squarespace. This is the platform of the website builder. Here we have the account that we have created. I have created account within a Squarespace. Naturally, we need that to publish or to make some modification to the website that are created. I'm going to click on here, click on account dashboard, and I will be guided to the dashboard. Now, a little disclaimer, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, accounts, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. Now, here we have the website. I'm going to click on website. If you don't have a website, all you have to do is to click on create website. Here I'm going to wait for the website to be loaded and we are going to begin creating a sales page. It is very easy and it will not consume time from you. You will get ahead about 5 to 8 minutes to make everything works. And you can add some images using Canva, or you can add some mockups. Since it is a selling page or sales page, you are going to use or need the help of Canva to make these mockups, or for example books. Let's go ahead and let's say that we need a book cover. This is a book cover. Click on book cover and then we are going to get this image, for example, and we have the size, and simply I'm going to add some mockups to this. Now let's go back here to the website. Now, as you can see, this is some modification that I have. I'm going to delete that. I don't need it. I am going to delete that code. Simply, let's say that we have the sales page. Here we have some services, gallery. I am going simply to click on edit here, site header, click on navigation, and we are going to click on the edit navigation. You can see here show all pages, and we have the pages. You can go ahead to the main navigation and click on the plus sign. When you click on plus sign, I'm going to click on blank page. This is the first thing that we are going to do. Now we have product page, for example, or sales page. Let's name it product page. Product page. And here we have it. Click enter and it will be added to the main menu. As you can see here, we have the product page. To customize this page, all you have to do is to click on edit. Here we are going to add some sections. Here we have a lot of sections that you are going to do or to add. The first one, I highly recommend you to put an intro page for your product. Let's go ahead with this one. This has a slide-in logo or a slide-in text on it. I'm going to add this. And to customize this section, all you have to do is to click on edit section. Here we have a row count, which is this grid, and we have the sum of the format. You can put a fill on screen, divider, and etc. I'm going simply to click on the text. Here we have the brand. Your brand is right here. I'm going to put, for example, digital. For example, digital products on sale, like that. And here we have the title, digital products on sale. This is the text. You can go ahead and duplicate this text, and here we have you can also add a link to this slide-in text. For the design, we have a lot of features. You can go ahead and explore it by yourself. Now for the image, you can go ahead and edit the image. Simply click on the image, click on edit. I'm going to remove this, upload a file, and here we have. Let's go and say that this is the intro, and we have some branding, and the branding is with this image right here. Now we have some text. You can go ahead and add the text. Let's see here. What do we have? The image is not already set up. Simply click on that. This is a much smaller image. And here we have it. Normally it will not take time, but in that case it has some problems with the loading. It is not very concerning. Here we have some text that you can edit, and simply when you want to add something else, all you have to do is to click on this section, the end of this section, and click on add section. We have made an intro. Now I'm going to put, for example, a about section. Here, let's go ahead and make this about section. We are going to use an about section from those. And for this about section, you have to make it, how can I say that? You have to make it a lot easier or to read. So this is the introduction for you. Click on anyone like that, any image. Here we have introduction. I'm going to put, for example, about the product. Here we have this one. I'm going to put it bold. You can go ahead and put it as a heading here like that. You can make it bigger, and you can go ahead and align it, for example, to the middle. For the image, it is customizable. Click on the pen and you can add the image, or also you can add or attach a link to the image. And here we have some text. You can go ahead and put a little description. You can go ahead and move it around. It is it is freely adjustable. Let's go ahead and add another section, which is the products. Here we can go ahead and add the products. Let's go ahead and see whatever we have here. You can go ahead and add this or that. Usually I go ahead with these because it has multiple photos blocks. And for the blocks, by the way, you can go ahead and add a block on this section. You click simply on this section, select this section, click on add block, and here we have, so for example, images. You can go ahead and put a image on that block. You can also add some text or buttons right here. Now let's go ahead and add, for example, a button. And this button, I'm going to put it on this image. I don't need that window, but here we have it. And now I'm going to attach, put a text buy now, for example. And you can go ahead and put a link to it, or you can go ahead and design it. Here we have some primary button. You can put it fit or make it fill right here. Let's go ahead and put this one, or you can add or edit the button. As you can see, the primary one, we have an outline, a small outline. You can go ahead and put the some buttons right here. For this one, you can also add some text, some modification, these few modification also. Let's go ahead here and make something else. This is the intro. This is the about the product. This is the collection or the product section. You can go ahead and add some buttons. Click on those buttons, then you are going to customize or put the link on them. And here finally, when you make these posts or these sections, you are going to put the testimonials, which are very important to your product to be sold. Select a testimonials, for example, this one. Or let's say that this one is not very convincing. I'm going to add a testimonial like that, and maybe this one is better. I'm going to wait like this. Here we have some characters, some photos. You can edit the content or edit the section. Here we have this for the content. You can put some buttons like that, or remove the buttons. Here we have the images, the titles. You can show the titles and or remove them like that. You can show some buttons here, make it, for example. And we have the content. You can go ahead and customize this content. It is the same for three. You can add, for example, a fourth person, a fifth person. It is up to you. This is a slide, as you can see here. This is a slide, and it is repeatable. Let's go ahead and be sufficient with this one. This is for the sales page. It is very easy and simple. You can also drag and drop the image of each section that you have added. It is fully customizable. You can add some blocks, which is buttons, videos, audios, lines, map. You can customize it whatever you have. For example, you can add some social links. Let's go ahead and add some social links like that. Here we have our social link. Let's go ahead and put it here in the middle. Can put and link them all. Can edit this block. Click on the pen. We have here the content, as you can see. You can add some socials right here and modify the designs. You can put here some borders, outlines, and etc. Now for this part is over, and it is very easy and simple. Let's go ahead and create a store within the page. All you have to do is to click on the not linked. You click simply on the plus button, and we have here store. Sell products and services online. You click on store, and here we have the store. You are going to add a store to the website. Let's go ahead and add, for example, you can add this one, which has a multiple product section or a ready sales page. Let's go ahead and add this one. I'm going to name it Jack's like that store. Simply click on enter, and here we have the products. We have everything that we can go ahead and set up, and here we go. You can go ahead and click on the gear right here and see the general settings of the store. You can enable the page, disable it. We have here some categories. You can create a category for the products, new arrivals or accessories. We have the SEO, the social, and the advanced. You can manage the tags and put whatever you have. Also, you can make the products to be paid, or you can make them, for example, here on this one, I'm going to click on that one, edit, and as you can see, we have the details. Here, these are the images, the product name, the description, and here we have the price. You can put on sale, or you can modify the price, for example, $60, and here we have it. This stock, you can customize this stock, put unlimited stock, and here we have the SKU. You can go ahead and modify it. You can add some variants to it, and here we have the fulfillment section. You can set up a fulfillment profile. The shipping also is here. The organization, the selling tool, you can add a product add-on here, and for the checkout, it is a new thing. We have a subscriptions, a custom form, or a custom button. For buying or selling something, we are going to put a custom button. Click on this, and here we are going to enable custom label, add to cart, or buy now. Click on apply, and here we go. Save, and we are good to go. That was very easy and simple. Click on add to cart, it will be added to your cart, and here we have the cart. We have the checkout. When you click on the checkout, you will be guided to the checkout. Right here, you are going to put the email. You choose the delivery method, payment method, review, for example. Click on continue. Here we have the product. Shipping is not available because we did not set the shipping yet. And you can go ahead and put everything, customize everything right here, and you will be good to go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.